Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design industrial staircase, use weldments and sheet metal feature in SolidWorks like this. Okay, just search it, click new and click part, click OK. For background we can change in plain white, and in here we use millimeter unit, so ensure you select in millimeter gram second. We start from front plane, right click and click sketch on the front plane. Then for first step, select line and draw from this point, this, and this, like this. Then just set for dimension. For height, this point to this point, I set in 1200. This. And for width in here, set for dimension. This point to this point, for example, I set in 1280 for distance. This line is set in 250 millimeter, and this line set in 150 millimeter, like this. So ensure you input all dimension like this, for example like this. Then just exit sketch. We use to make frame staircase with weldments feature. Just click weldments and click structural member. Okay, in here you many standard, but for example I set in ISO. For type, select C channel, and for size, for example I set in 120 by 12. For group, just click this line, and this line. But in here you can see, in below, for rotation angle, set or change in 90 degree. Then like this. Click OK and done. It's so simple for step. Then click reference geometry and click plane. For first reference, we can choose this face, and for offset distance in here, I set in 350 millimeter. For example, I set in 350 millimeter, like this. Just click OK. After that, click feature and click mirror. In here, you must click body to mirror. In here, just click this channel, this, and this. Okay. And for mirror face or plane, ensure you select in plane too, or you can click in here plane too. Just click OK and done. Now we have two frame channel like this, frame for staircase. Then we can hide this plane 2, right click and click hide, and just right click on this face and click sketch. Now select line and draw this to this point to this. Okay, then set for dimension. For example, this edge to this line is set in 100 millimeter, and for this line, high in 20 millimeter, and this line, for example, I set in 70 millimeter, like this. Okay, ensure you input all dimension like this, for example. And we can click view orientation, click isometric view like this. Then we can to make a plate for staircase with sheet metal feature. Just click sheet metal and click base flange or tape, like this. For direction, change in up to surface, and for surface, and for here, for surface, just click this face or click this surface, like this. Then in here for parameter or sheet metal, you can adjust in here. For thickness, in here I use in 5 millimeter, for example, and for radius, bend radius in 2 millimeter. This. We can do checklist for reverse direction. Just click here, then click OK. Okay, and done. We just to make plate for staircase. We can see in just click flatten and done like this. Sorry, like this. Can click flatten, and it's so simple like this. Sheet metal. Click unflatten. So after that, since sheet metal, we can click again. We can select in here edge flange, and for flange parameter, just click this edge to below and click this edge. Here, ensure for flange position you click in material inset. If you select in bend offset, it's offset on this frame. You must click in material inside like this. For example, flange length I set in 40 millimeter. For length in 40 millimeter, it is 90 degree, and I use default radius. Just click OK. And we can to see for flatten, just click flatten, and it is a plate of sheet metal staircase like this. It's so simple, and we can click unflattened. Okay. In here we must to make another plate to staircase until here. So the way is simple. Just click feature and click linear pattern. And for direction, just click this edge, and you must checklist on bodies. For bodies, just click this plate or edge flange. And here for distance, in here spacing, I set in 210 for spacing millimeter, and for number of instance set in 8 like this. Set in 8. So after that, ensure you click space, sync and instant, and like this. Just click OK and done. We have another plate like this to make staircase. So after we make a plate like this, we just to focus to make handle in here and here. So just click reference geometry and click plane. For first reference, just click this face. Ensure select in mid plane or click mid plane here, and choose this face for second reference and click mid plane too. Just click OK, and we have the plane 3. Right click on plane 3 and click sketch. Now we can to make a line again. Draw line from this to top in here. Draw from top, and to make line again, click line. Sorry, again from front view in here. This to top, and make one line again in here. This to top like this. Then after that, we can click display or delete a relation. Just click here and click add relation. Selected entities, so select this line, and this line. Ensure select in equal like this. Just click OK. Then set for dimension for height. In here I set for example in 750 millimeter like this. So automatically in here is 750 millimeter, and in here is same 750 millimeter, because before we add relation is make equal. Then set for distance in here. For example, this edge to this line I set in 120, and this line to this line I set in 550 meter, and this line to this line I set in 550 like this. Then after that, select line again and draw this this to this, like this. Select again in here, click add relation. Ensure click this point and click origin point. Ensure select in make vertical. Then right click on select entities and click clear selection, and just click this line in here, selected entities, and click this point. Ensure choose or click coincident. Right click again and clear selection. In here, this line and this point, click coincident. Just click OK and set for dimension in here. This point to this point, for example, in here I set in 200 for distance. Then make a line again, or sketch line. Just click line, draw this to this. Then like before, click here and click add relation. Ensure this point and this point. Just click make vertical, clear selection again, and this point to this point, click make vertical. Right click and clear selection. Then this line to this line, instruction entities, ensure you click make parallel. Just click make parallel and click OK. Then we can set for distance in here. This line to this line, for example, I set in 400 millimeter. This is so simple. You must do sketch like this to make frame. So we can to make handle here with weldments again. Just click weldments, but before we can click here out sketch. Okay, and we have sketch like this, and just click structural member again on weldments, and in here for the ISO, but for type, for handle here we use pipe. For size, I set in here, for example, for size in here I set in 33.7 by 4. And for group, first click this line, and this line, like this, and click new group. In group 2, just click this line, and click again new group. Group 3, click this line, okay, like this. Then just click OK. We can hide the plane tree. Right click on plane tree and click hide. We have a handle like this, so we can to make another handle in here with feature, click mirror. Okay, for bodies to mirror, just click this pipe, 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 and this pipe. Then for mirror face or plane, just click plane 2. Click OK, and done. We can click this hide all types, but in here we can see still like this. We can to trim or extend with weldment. Just click trim or extend. For boundaries, for corner type, you must click here and trim, and bodies to be trimmed, click this pipe and this pipe. And for trimming boundary, click face or plane, just click this face. Ensure you click face and just click OK. Okay, in here same like before, trim or extend, bodies to trim, click this pipe and this pipe. And for face or plane, just click this face, just click OK, and done. So we can see again in for pipe handle we have open, so we can close with end cap. Just click end cap. In here you can thickness direction, for example in here outward for thickness 5 millimeter. In here is thickness ratio 0.2. For parameter, just click this face, and we can see in here another. Click this face, and just click this face and click this face. Click OK, and now the pipe is closed with end cap. It's so simple like this. So we can to change for appearances. Select all the feature in here and select this icon, edit appearances. Maybe for the color in yellow, just click OK. Click this face, click face, and maybe in here in yellow, so just click OK. Okay, I think that's enough how to design simple industrial staircase use weldments and sheet metal feature in SolidWorks. I apologize if there are any mistake of awareness in this tutorial. Thank you for watching until the end video. See you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.